I'm going to make pot roast in the slow cooker. What we're going to do first is we're going to sear the meat. So in a little bit of oil, you cook both sides and all the way around. In the crock pot, which I have is a slow cooker, I've cut up 6 carrots into about 2-inch sizes. I also have some onion here, red onion. I have 2 of them, and I'll be cutting them into smaller pieces. I've used red potatoes. I have 4 of them. I've cut them and washed them and to make sure that the excessive starch is off of them. I will be using 2 bouillon cubes to help add to the flavor of the juices that are made while cooking all the ingredients together. Into the pot, I've added the onions and the carrots, and I put the London broil seared piece of meat on top. Next, I will add the potatoes and take the 2 bouillon cubes and dilute them in hot water. Here's how it looks with the added potatoes and boiling of the bouillon cubes so that the cubes will melt. I will be using salt and pepper. If you prefer sea salt or kosher salt, that is of your choice. After the bouillon cube has melted, add cold water to cool the temperature of the liquid so it does not crack the crock pot. If you do not have a crock pot, you can always use a spaghetti pan or a high-ended side dish that you can cook on the stove on low heat. Add enough water to cover all the ingredients. You'll notice that a few of mine are sticking out. All I do is push them down in. Add your salt and pepper, cover it with the lid, and let it cook for 4 to 6 to 7 hours. Cover with the crock pot lid and try to leave unattended for the amount of time. I hope you enjoy it. I will post pictures of what it will look like when it is finished. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy this recipe from me.